Hi, I am Sahand. I am researching the cleanup unit of the biomass gasification pilot plant with the ultimate goal of RNG production from biomass resources. In this unit, we're trying to clean up the syngas already produced at the biomass gasification unit out of impurities like chlorine, sulphur, and tar before sending it to the methanation unit. To do so, we're using a series of reactors and a weather scrubber and analyze the collected gas and tar samples to optimize this process. As getting rid of the impurities like tar is one of the major challenges in the biomass gasification technology, we are trying here our best to reduce them to the lowest amounts possible.